puts that in the bow. So first we need to find a good bow, and I actually want to have a projectile with it. So let's see what the SS store can bring us today. So let's go to the SS store, and up here we write bow, and we have a 2D bow. That's not so good. So let's see, 3 SS. Nothing as good as 3. And here we have bow hammer sound effects. We have a Elven longbow. Let's take that one. And open in Unity. Fitting package. And first you click download and then you click import. And let's see, materials, remove the showcase. That. And let's see, Elven longbow is here. We have this one. And some textures, and we have the arrow, and let's see if that one will work for us. So let's go into the prefabs, the weapon, the bow. So we created this one already, and we need a prefab, my weapon override, and we need to set in all of this. So let's start with making a game object, bow holder, and reset that, and then take in the Elven bow onto bow holder. That's damn, it's big. That's one big bow. Let's make it quite small. Let's see. That looks more like a bow we actually will use. Let's see. And it doesn't have the texture on it. Yeah. Materials. So add the materials like that. So we have good looking bow, and take all of this and go into the prefab weapons bow. Take the bow holder, put it in, delete, put that into the prefab, set left, set the range to 20, set the damage to 2 and the speed to 2, like that. And now we can take player prefab and that, go here and put in the bow, like that. So let's see what that leaves us with. So let's click the C. The bow, it looks a bit like this right now. It is way too big. So we need to put it on properly. And I actually think that it is easier to put on properly if we have the attack ready animation. So let's find a bow animation for that. Let's go into this website, pick our Maria, pick animation, find bow, and go to page 2. I use the animation for this to be standing idle 1, so like that, and you can click download without skin and Unity. Then we have the shooting animation somewhere, shooting arrow. So we take that one and we download that one as well. Then we take these two animations and put them into our project under animations, make a player ranged animation, bow, and put them in there. Oh, I forgot to put one in, so we can just take this one together. Download. And then we take all your shooting into the project. Then we take the idle one and see, is this the idle? Oh, this one standing idle, make it loop pose. And then we go to the prefab weapon, this one. Oh, we need to make a animator override. Oh, and put in. Oh, did I lock this one? Yeah. And say it derives from what is called in these. It's called the player control anim. Player control anim. And then we have the possibility to change all of these. So let's lock this one, go back to the assets, animation, range. And here we take the standing idle. Oh, sorry. We have to do it like this, standing idle and the shooting idle, like that. Let's see where that lever was started. Right click. So we have the crunch idle right now. We click we have the weapon, and we have the arrow idle. And we also can do like this and start to attack. Okay. What we want to do is see if we can stop it there. Oh, we need to stop it at the right place. So, oh, right click, pause, go to the scene, go to this woman, find the bow. Need to put it in place now. Hips, spine, 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 left shoulder, left arm, left, left. Sword joint, bow, clone, bow. So let's see. So it should go down and definitely a bit over. And we can just unlock this. So we make it even smaller. So maybe 0.5, 0.3, 0.03 it is. So see if we can get it close to the hand. That's pretty close. And then we will rotate it. That. And then we will put it inside the hand. Like that. And just to be sure, I'm just going to copy it already now. So maybe we actually, oh, hmm, this is not good. Let's try and reset it. And set this one. Then paste in values 0.03, 0.03, 0.03. Let's just put this back to 0, 0, 0. And yeah, so it's important to put it in the right place. So let's just do it again. that, and like that. That's fine. So that this time, so 0, 0, great. And just go into the game, make her attack, pause, and see. So more like that. So it actually looks fine like this. Copy component, leave the game, go into the prefabs, weapon, bow, open the bow, put in the default, paste values, and we're gonna reset this. Oh, and then we're gonna try it out again. Out, open, have the bow, see. Seems fine. Let's see if our little man takes some damage. He is called, I think it's number 1. Probably number 2. So as you can see, he's currently not taking any damage because we have not added like a hit effect to the bow. So we will solve this one in the future tutorial because we actually want the combat protection